All right, so you're ready to dive into the world of data analysis? Perfect, you're in exactly the right place. Today we're doing more than just installing some software. We're actually building the foundation, the essential toolkit you'll need for your entire data journey. So let's get right to it. That's a huge question, isn't it? But the answer isn't some crazy complex algorithm. The real first step, the most important one, is setting up your workshop. It's all about getting the right tools installed so you can actually start building, experimenting, and making those amazing discoveries. Okay, here's our game plan. First, we'll talk big picture. Then, we'll get to know the tools we're using. After that, we'll do the actual all-in-one setup. Then comes the fun part, running your first notebook. And we'll wrap up with a quick tour of your new digital workspace. So, I want to be really clear about something. This isn't just a technical task, like installing a program. No, this is about unlocking a brand new skill. This setup we're about to do, this is the industry standard. This is literally the key that opens the door to analyzing data and finding those incredible hidden insights. So, why is this setup so powerful? Well, it all comes down to this incredible power duo. First, you've got Python. Think of it as the engine. It's super powerful and has this massive ecosystem of libraries made just for data. Then you've got Jupyter Notebook. That's your interactive canvas, your workspace where you can mix live code, cool visualizations, and your own notes all in one spot. Honestly, it is a total game changer. Okay, before we click install on anything, let's break down the 3 key players you're going to hear about all the time: Python, Jupyter, and Anaconda. Trust me, once you know what each one does, this whole process is going to make so much more sense. I love this analogy because it makes things so clear. Think about it like this. Python is the language itself. It's like a powerful engine. It's awesome, but on its own, you'd have to build the car around it. Now, Anaconda, that's the toolbox. Better yet, it's the whole garage, fully stocked. It comes with Python, but it also bundles in Jupyter and literally thousands of other data science tools all in one simple installation. It's the whole shebang. And sticking with that garage analogy, the Jupyter Notebook is your main workbench. It's this awesome web app where you'll do all the hands-on work. It's where you write code, see what happens, make charts, and jot down all your thoughts and analysis. Okay, now that we know who the players are, it's time for the main event, the actual setup. And we're going with Anaconda precisely because it makes this so easy. It just wraps everything up for us in one nice, neat package. And don't worry, this is going to be easy. We can break the whole thing down into just 3 simple steps. We're going to download it, install it, and then just verify that it's working. That's really it. All right, here's your installation checklist. First, just go to anaconda.com, look for the free individual edition, and download it. When you run that installer, go ahead and choose the Just Me option. Now listen up, because this next part is super important. You're going to see a checkbox that says Add Anaconda to my path environment variable. You have to check that box. Seriously, for beginners, this is an absolute lifesaver. It'll prevent so many headaches later on. And done. The installation is complete. See? Painless. Now for the really fun part. We're going to go from setting up to actually doing something. Let's write our very first line of code. This is the moment it all becomes real. Okay, so what you're going to do is open up your applications and find something called the Anaconda prompt. It'll look like a little black terminal window. Once that's open, just type Jupyter Notebook, all one word, and hit Enter. And bam, a new tab should pop open in your web browser. In that tab, just look for the New button, click it, and pick Python 3 from the list. And just like that, you've made your very first notebook. How cool is that? All right, you'll see a little box there. We call that a cell. Inside that cell, I want you to type this classic famous line of code, print, open parentheses, quote, hello world, end quote, close parentheses. This is a rite of passage. It's pretty much the first thing every single programmer writes when they're starting out. Ready for the magic trick? To make it run, just hold down the Shift key and tap the Enter key. And there it is. Right underneath the cell, you should see the words Hello World pop up. That's it. You just wrote and ran real Python code. See? It's that simple. Okay, so now that you're in and you've run some code, let's do a super quick tour of the interface so you know where everything is. And then we'll hit a couple of the most common questions that always come up at this point. So look up at the top. That toolbar has all the usual suspects. Save, add a new cell, cut, copy, paste, you get the idea. Now you'll mostly be using 2 kinds of cells. Code cells are, well, for your Python code, and markdown cells are for writing pretty, formatted text and notes. Oh, and if you see the word kernel, don't worry about it. That's just the fancy name for the engine that's running your code in the background.
All right, let's tackle a big one. I get this question all the time. Do I really need to install this whole Anaconda thing? Can't I just install Python? And here's the honest answer. Technically, no, you don't have to. But for beginners, it is so highly recommended. It saves you from this giant headache of trying to manually install and manage all the different tools you need. With Anaconda, it just works, right out of the box. Okay, next question. What if you already have Python on your computer for, I don't know, a game or some other app? Is installing Anaconda going to break everything?
Nope, not a problem at all. And this is another reason why Anaconda is so great. It creates its own little bubble, its own self-contained environment. It won't touch or interfere with any other Python you have installed, so yep, you can install it without worrying one bit. All right, last big question for now. Let's say you've done some amazing analysis. You found something cool. How do you share it? How do you show your work to someone else?
You've actually got some really good options here. If you're sharing with another data person, you can just send them the actual file. It ends in .ipnb. But what if you want to share it with someone who doesn't have all this stuff installed? Easy. In the File menu, there's a Download As option. This is your best friend. You can turn your notebook into a web page, an HTML file, or even a clean, professional PDF.
And that's a wrap. You're all set. Seriously, think about it. In just a few minutes, you went from nothing to having a full-blown professional data analysis toolkit set up on your machine. And you've already run your first line of code. That is a massive accomplishment. So congratulations. So you've got the tools. The workshop is built. You are officially at the starting line of your data analysis journey. And now the only question left is, what are you going to discover? What secrets are hiding in the data? The adventure is just getting started.